In this video, I'll show you how to blur the background of your video using the color page in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to the color page. Right-click on your clip in the node editor, select Add Node, then choose Add Serial. This will give you a second node to work with. With the second node selected, click on the window icon just below the viewer. Then choose the curve window. Now, at the start of your clip, begin outlining your subject by clicking to create a shape around them. Try to be as accurate as possible, and connect the last point back to the first one to close the shape. Next, head over to the tracker icon. It's just to the right of the window tab. Click Track Forward, and DaVinci Resolve will automatically track the movement of your subject throughout the clip. Once that's done, right-click on the second node again, go to Add Node, and select Add Outside. Now, on this third node, go to the OpenFX panel, search for Gaussian Blur, and drag it onto the node. Use the blur strength slider to control how much blur you want. And that's it. You've successfully blurred the background in DaVinci Resolve while keeping your subject sharp and in focus.